State of Texas versus Alvo Lafayette Tucker III. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
For the defense?
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Tucker.
And are you Mr. Tucker?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay. Are you the same Alvo Lafayette Tucker III who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 4059 for the offense of burglary of a habitation force on June 20th, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. State which allegation.
This case isn't just about burglary. It's about broken trust. Tucker's probation is on the line. Will his excuses hold, or will the judge make an example of him? Stay tuned for sharp turns.
Directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and/or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
We'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there is not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
We're requesting adjudication and revocation.
All right. Defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we're asking that Mr. Tucker be placed back on deferred adjudication. I'd like to place him under oath so I can ask him some questions so we can enlighten the court with what's going on in his life.
All right. Can you raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Alvo Lafayette Tucker III.
All right. Defense?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Tucker, how are you employed right now?
I'm currently have my own lawn care service through a business partner. He has a successful roofing company.
Okay. How long you been doing that type of work?
Well, it's I've been doing this type of work for some years, but owning my own, it's still new, but it's successful as of now.
Okay. You got placed on deferred adjudication back, I think, in September of last year. Does that sound correct?
Yes, sir.
And can you tell the court what is going on that caused you to not report for the months of, I believe it was August and whatever the months we just talked about?
Yes, sir. Oh, at that time, I did not have a successful lawn care service. I was doing roofing, but it was by contract only. So if I made a sale, I would get paid. It wasn't like an everyday payout.
And why didn't you report?
I had a lot of things going on, places to live, and just being ignorant, I guess. There's no other way around it.
I don't understand why not pick up the phone and call probation.
I didn't have a phone at the time. And
Tucker blames no phone, housing struggles, ignorance. Judges hear these excuses daily. Probation isn't optional. It's law. Sporadic reporting looks like defiance, not struggle. Audience, does survival hardship excuse breaking legal commitments?
I guess it's twice or something like that I missed. I'm not sure.
Okay. And if you were placed back on deferred adjudication, what assurances does the court have that you're going to be actually following the rules of probation, reporting every month, doing what you're supposed to be doing? What has changed since last year?
Financially, I'm more capable of completing the payment out, and I know it's actually really serious. It's serious. I took it for granted, and I understand now the consequences that are against me. And if placed back on probation, I'm gonna make it my first obligation to take care of that and to see it through the end.
And how long have you been incarcerated for?
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Okay. Anything else you want to tell the judge about why you should be placed back on deferred adjudication?
Well, just to see my business through that I just got going up and going, and get home to my family and complete this probation. My dad always told me, God's never gonna put anything on me that I can't handle. I think I can handle it, and I'm ready to see it through. If you're willing, that I may do that.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
State.
So what changed from September of last year to today? Now can handle it because of you, they explained everything to you
Yes.
about how to be on probation and what you
Yes.
have to do and the severity of facing 2 to 20 years. So what's the biggest difference?
Well, the biggest difference is now I know I have a base income because I actually am in charge of what I can do and what to give.
So you're just saying your employment is the only difference from back in September of last year to today?
No, not just employment, just my mindset too. And
Your mindset now.
Yes, sir. The severity of the situation.
So your mindset wasn't correct last December when you didn't report, or January or February or March.
The prosecutor exposes repeated neglect, months without reporting. Allegations of other crimes hover. Even without arrests, suspicion builds doubt. Courts weigh consistency. Tucker's track record screams instability. Promises versus patterns. What do you trust more?
Well, I can't say it's more important because this is very important. Yeah, I do understand that.
I mean, allegations are here that you also committed 2 other different crimes. You didn't say true to that, but that's the allegations. That were you arrested for those 2 crimes?
No, sir.
You weren't arrested for
No,
those?
sir.
Okay. That they happened on January 14, 2024?
I'm thinking so. Not sure.
No further questions, John.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Judge, lastly, Mr. Tucker, you talked about with the prosecutor that you're employed now, you have the ability to be employed,
Yes,
to make money, to do what you have to do on probation.
yes,
You were only on for a couple of months before you didn't report, that type of thing. So once again, I just want to make sure you're clear with the court. What has changed that's going to allow you to be successful on your deferred? If you're placed back on deferred adjudication.
everything has changed. I'm just wanting to do the right thing and complete it out.
Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. No further questions, John.
All right. Any other questions? All right. This is what the court is going to do. I'm going to give you a choice. Here are your choices. 1, I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to prison for 3 years. You receive
2 options: 3 years locked up or probation with guilt attached. Both punishments, both life-altering. Deferred adjudication, gone. Audience, if you were the judge, would you gamble on his promise or lock him away?
whatever you want to do.
Correct.
So it will be a guilty conviction either way. But I'm not going to allow you to remain on deferred.
So,
Do you wish to speak to your attorney?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
All right.
Can we step back for a moment, Judge?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Mr. Tucker, have you had a chance to confer with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And Mr. Dillion?
Judge, we want to take the option that puts him back on probation. He believes he will be successful on that and wants that opportunity. We'd ask the court to potentially put him on for probation for the next 40 years. Up to the court, of course.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison. State any input as to the length of probation?
Judge, state of your recommendation.
All right. And defense, I know you're recommending 2.
4, Judge.
I'm sorry, 4.
Reasonable.
All right. Court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. Of course, if everything is completed, then you can always come back to the court. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider with minors. He's to do the trauma assessment. I see that was what was recommended. That's to be done in custody. transfer to Victoria County.
Is that correct? Or you live in Bear County?
I'm gonna live in Bear County.
All right.
I live here.
All right, then no transfer to Victoria County. There's to be no contact with the complainant. Oh, I'm sorry, State, you may be excused. There's to be field visits. One time per month. For 3 months. And that'll be after release from GPS. And GPS, that will be partial
Yes, ma'am.
for employment. And that will be through work release. And I'll ask that fees are waived. So on GPS, you're only allowed.
Strict GPS. Tucker can't even shop for groceries. Uber Eats or nothing. Extreme? Maybe. But it shows how little faith the court has left. Is this overreach or smart, protective accountability?
How long is the GPS, Judge?
We're going to do GPS for 90 days. And then after, yes.
We be asking for a contact order with Target and Live Oak.
All right, there's to be no contact with Target. Do you say Target in Live Oak or the Target in Live Oak?
Target and Live Oak.
All right. What we're going to do is you're just not able to go to Target.
Right. I can't go anywhere anyway, remember?
Or as people say, Target. So there's to be no contact with Target. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right. And then there will be GPS for the 90 days. And then probation. After those 90 days are up, then you can start the home visits if you choose. All right. Is there anything else?
No, Judge.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are in deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, we can go off the record.
Tucker avoids
I don't do
prison,
zero
but
tolerance.
loses
Either you're going to
deferred
do right or you're
adjudication.
not.
Now a felon.
understand.
Do not
under
come back
harsh
here. If you
probation.
come back here,
It's
you're looking
redemption
at
under
a maximum
chains.
of 10 years in
If
the
this
prison. Do
case
you
shook
understand?
you like,
Yes, ma'am.
You
comment
better
with
make
your
sure
thoughts
that you
and
report
subscribe
when you're
for more
supposed to
courtroom
report. Do you
breakdowns.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Appreciate it.
I like you a lot, but I'm not gonna see you again in here.
Okay, all right, thank you.